Guys, good morning. Today is Friday, March 21. I'm here at the National Shrine and Parish of Saint Padre Pio. To your right, you have the souvenir store for religious items, and there are again lots of student pilgrimage. These are from anong school po ito? Elementary Serrano. Saan po yun?
Paranaque po.
Wow, layo. Ito mga bata. Ito sa ano. Ito si teacher ng elementary school. Nag-ano sila. It's a good start for children, no? Yan. Family picture. Yan. Ito, family picture din daw to, oh. Saan po kayo galing? Oh, from Malabon. Guys, we have here pilgrims from Malabon, and then ito sa Paranaque. Ay, ang sabi ni Padre Pio, just pray, hope, and don't worry.
God bless po.
God bless. Another group. Ito naman mga taga San Rafael, Bulacan. We have from Paranaque and everybody. Okay. So this is the main church of Padre Pio. And then you have another, parang doon ang misa. Doon ang misa. Ay, sorry. Doon ang misa. Ay, ano yun, nandun. Okay. Dito pala ang misa. Yan, si Tita, nagpipicture kay Padre Pio. Maliwanag pa. Ano pa kasi? 7:55 pa lang. The mass starts at Sir Joben. Sir Joben. Yan, sige. Mamaya makikita nyo to. Please like and share my channel. 8 o'clock pa po ang misa rito. Every 2 hours may misa rito. Okay? Guys, ito po yung main altar ng ano. Then you have here the choir. Yan. Kaya punta tayo dito sa mga ano may mga pilgrims dito. From different so Father. Yan. Sa pilgrims to, pilgrims. Taga-sang school to. Dami. Yan. Vegan ba to? Dami. Tutay, from what school are you? From Don Bosco High School. Yan, Makati. Yan, marami pa. And then ito yung ano, Ay, marami pa doon, Epic Pilgrims. Senior high school. Yan. Mga ganda na tayo. Say hi! From what school are you? Don Bosco, Makati. Ah, Paranaque. Okay. Then after the mass, they're going to have your "Thank you very much, stay with me, O Lord" from Padre Pio. Okay, see you. See you. Yan. Mag-uumpisa na po ang misa. Bye-bye.
Una sa inyong pagdalaw sa pambansang